today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I go from straight to curly hair again. Before I do that, I wanted to quickly show you ladies how I like to keep my straight hair for longer. I've been using Smooth N Shine straightening polisher for years now, but now they came out with this new look and improved formula, so it's no longer the pink bottle anymore. Now it has black seed oil and coconut oil, which helps prevent less breakage, and also it's a heat protector and it boosts your shine. So once I apply some of that, I'm going to put away half of my hair, and then I'm going to detangle the other side because I'm going to take a small section from the bottom and I'm going to use a paddle brush to follow it through with my flat iron. And I'm just going to give it a couple of passes because I'm not trying to re-straighten my hair all the way. It's just to give it that fresh, sleek, and shiny look that I love. So I'm just going to continue doing the same steps for the rest of my hair using the paddle brush and then following it along with the flat iron until my hair is sleek. Guys, how amazing does this look? I mean, it's so easy and it really is so quick. I like that you can put it onto wet and dry hair and you could reapply it anytime for extra shine. Now it's time for the other side. Again, just doing the same thing. I'm going to start with the section at the bottom, take a spray of the conditioning polisher, and then I'm going to follow it with my flat iron, and ta-da! Just like that. Now that I finished with my entire head, I attacked all the frizz. I want to keep it as sleek and as straight as possible for longer. So before bed, what I like to do is brush my hair back into a low ponytail. And it's a loose ponytail, so the band is not too tight. Then I take a paddle brush and using any size perm rod, I like to roll my ends because when I wake up, I don't like it to be pinned straight. I like to have like a nice curl or wave to it. So just one perm rod will do the trick. And then before going to bed, I like to put on a satin cap. So I'm just gonna place this over my head and then it's time for bed. And then when I wake up, my hair is still smooth and sleek. Now it's time to bring the curls back. So after, so many days of having my hair straight, it's time to wash my hair. Now I'm using Smooth N Shine's new Camellia Oil and Shea Butter Quenching Co-Wash. I've never tried this before, but I love that it states that it helps repair dry damaged hair, it moisturizes, conditions, and prevents frizz. So I'm taking a good amount of this and I'm applying it all throughout my hair and lathering it up, working it in there. And now I'm gonna rinse it out. Now that I rinsed out the co-wash, I'm gonna go in with their Camellia Oil and Shea Butter Deep Recovery Treatment. And I love the way these products smell. Now I'm just gonna start taking some of that and applying it all throughout my hair. Get my hair really nice and like saturated with enough slip. I'm going to start detangling with a paddle brush, and it's unreal how easy it was to detangle my hair. Now I can just run my fingers with ease through my hair, and now I'm just going to detangle the other side. What's amazing about this recovery treatment is that you could actually leave it in. You do not have to rinse it out. So what I'm doing is I'm just raking it in there with my fingers, and then after I spread it in there really good, I'm just gonna start scrunching up my hair like I would with any other styling product. Alright ladies, so far this is how my hair is looking wet. I am absolutely loving it because it looks like my hair has not gone through any heat damage. It looks amazing and very healthy. So right now, at this point, I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. Now it's time for the final results. So this is what my hair looks like after it's pretty much mostly dry. I love how soft it feels, how moisturizing, hydrated it looks. It's shiny and it gives me that curl definition, that curl pattern that I love. And I'm just so impressed with this product. This is definitely something I'm gonna go through for sure. I can honestly, absolutely recommend that you ladies give these products a try. You can find it at all the biggest retailers like Walmart, Target, Kmart, Rite Aid, Publix, all those places. Just check it out. And thank you so much, ladies, for watching. Bye.